Hello everyone. So today I am going to unbox a mini thermal printer. So let's start. First I am unboxing it and show you the box contents. So here is the main box from Amazon and there is the main which contains the printer and its name is Seznik Mini X Pocket Printer. Here some QR codes are given which be useful and by through this you can scan by your phone and it will connect to you the app or some warranty. So here are the box contents. Like first is the printer, which is packed well. It has a USB charging port and a switch. So here I am wanted to open it. So it's the wrong method. So it this is the right method to open it by the side of the rolling paper section. And these are the roll paper. There are various types of roll papers are here. Sticky. These are the sticky ones which have some glue in their back. So these are the non-sticky and some are colorful, green, blue. And here are some documentation given also. So these are important because some precautions can be taken before the use of the printer. This is the user manual, so it's important by which you can understand its usability. And here is the charging cable type A to type C by which you can charge the printer. Now first we have to charge the printer before use, but it only supports 5-watt charging, or it is safe as well to obey the instructed voltage. So we can use the power bank's low power mode to charge it, and after fully charged it shows blue light. There are mainly three types of roles available which can be used by their needs. So here are the roles I am showing you. Now I installed the app and connected the printer with my tablet, or you can connect with your phone through Bluetooth, and now is the result. Here the main thing is the size of the printable picture should be in landscape for a bigger output print copy. So if the picture will be in portrait, then the picture size will be small. There is a inbuilt cutter available in the printer that by this you can turn the paper easily. And this is the quality of the print. The black one is good, but the white one is thus this option was not appropriate. So the black I recommend you to do by this option. Finally it works well, but at first it may take some time to fully work ready, so be patient with the printer. So that's it for today.